Okay, let's start. So this is the implementation for a lift company. First you need to create a project. So if the project is already available, it will throw you an error, or else you'll be able to create the project. And then we need to mention the inputs, like whether we need a basement or not, the number of passengers, the number of stops and other things. So, and once this is done, you can go into the civil input form, where you can mention all the building dimensions like the shaft width, shaft depth. So this form is has also validations, like if I change this to 1600, the options on the clear opening width reduced to 700. Now you can select 800. And similarly, it also have range validations, like for this overhead we cannot put something as 4800 because the valid value is still 4500. So accordingly, all the validations can be configured, and this web UI is created with HTML, so that can also be HTML and Bootstrap, so that can also be customized. You see, if I let me go back, if I change the number of stops, it also updates the input field, so any kind of customization can be done on this UI. This implementation has been done with Solidworks. So but any CAD platform can be used, whatever the customer have. So now let me go ahead and click on the validate and generate CAD button. So once you click on that button, it will launch Solidworks at the server and create the necessary files, and will return it to the user through the browser itself. Like the user will be able to download the respective files, and these output files can be configured according to the customer needs, like PDF, or you need a SolidWorks drawing file or any file extension that can be exported by the respective CAD system. So once you click on validate and generate CAD button, it will show the user that the CAD is generating, and on background in the server it will launch SolidWorks, because we are using SolidWorks for this implementation. So it will use SolidWorks and modify all the files accordingly, and this modifications will be done by capturing the knowledge that the customer has. So it will modify the CAD file, then it will generate all the drawings, so we can customize the placement of dimensions and other thing up to very discrete level as per the requirement. And also we can populate notes, manual drawings, and other things that is required by a manufacturing drawing. So currently it is creating a GAD. So let's wait till the GAD creates, and meanwhile I would like to tell that this utility can also manage this whole framework, or the implementation can also manage the file that is getting generated by a configurator. Like it can manage the user permissions, it can manage the versionings, the revisions, and also as we have a medium like a middleware database, so that database can be integrated with any enterprise management system, so that the value can be populated to all the system that is available on the organization. So once everything is generated, it will give you an notification, and let's see the downloaded files now. So this is the first GAD that has been created. So here you can see that all the dimensions and other things are placed properly. We also generated different text nodes and placed them properly, and also other values on the title block and other things can be configured up to any level as per the requirement. So this is how the drawing will look. Now let's check another drawing. So in this drawing, apart from this elevation views, if you see, we have created some manual views as well, which is not directly connected with the CAD, but is generating on the drawing itself, like this so like this section elevation, scaffolding views, and you can see all the nodes and other things are arranged properly. So we only once the CAD is created, you can also get a 3D preview using e-drawings on the browser itself, so the user can access the 3D CAD model and can show it to the customers from directly from the browser. It will take some time to load the file because the assembly is a little bit big. Once this is loaded, user can check it and can show it to the customer, and this can be accessed from any device, not required like you need a computer or anything. So from mobile also this can be accessible. So once everything is done, you can download these files as per your need and can show it to the customers at that point itself. So this is a basic demo of the web configurator that we created, and this can be created for any assembly, or like the UI can be configured up to any level. So just let me know if this looks like can add some value to your organization. We also did some implementations where we add CPQ functionality with this configurator so that all the codes and other things get generated at runtime only. We have a queue management where if you get a high number of requests to create these files, the queue will organize those requests and process them sequentially. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.